Hello folks, so here is the Harbor Breeze Tilghman 2, I think is what this is, in the master bedroom of our townhouse, beach house, townhouse, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to do two videos for this fan. I'm going to do one with factory speeds, which is what this video is, and then there'll be another one which is wall control speeds. So I've got the Lutron Skylark 3-speed control here set to high, which should just be full power to the fan. This one I can get up on the fan so we can bed so I can show you the top of the housing and stuff. Start her out on low here. That little fan's running, if you're hearing what that's what that noise is. Feel a bit of a breeze from it. Medium. Nice little gentle breeze. Here's high. Good breeze. I'll just go ahead and shut it off by the wall control, because I'll do that video next. There we are. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.